What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chris P, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a sleeper tool. As you guys know, Trusted Signals has many tools, which we will go over in just a second. Okay, if you guys want to go ahead and see what tools they have, all you have to do is come to the Trusted Signals website, click indicators, and we have a brief summary on everything that is available. And really quick, down below while you're watching this right now, tell me what video you guys want to see next on the channel, because this week we're going crazy. Okay, the indicator that I'm going to show you in just a second, okay, is going to go ahead and blow your mind, because I think that it is a very slept on tool, and I plan to make this one even better very soon. Trusted Signals is no longer going to be $4.99. Trusted Signals monthly is obviously $99. So for 4 or 5 months, you're literally going to get lifetime access. And this also gets you first access to all tools. Okay, lifetime access is where you want to be. Obviously, these prices are unparalleled for what we offer. And if you guys are not familiar with what Trusted Signals is capable of, you guys need to check this out. We actually just dropped a video right now on why this is so profitable for crypto channels or crypto charts, right? Because this thing is all back testable. Obviously 65% profitable, $14 profit factor. And if I keep on going back to the BTC, all right, and keep in mind that this is not the slept on tool that we will be talking about right now. Okay, but I just want to let you guys know that the reason why you guys should get Trusted Signals is because we have back testable results. We have literally tools that are hitting TP1, TP2, TP3 all the time, okay? And then it keeps you in the trade and exits you right here on the opposite trend, okay? Now, keep in mind, Trusted Signals is on sale and it won't be for sale for long. So what is the tool that we are talking about? Drop a comment. Tell me which one you guys think it is right now. Boom, boom, boom. Drum roll, please. All right, the one that we want to go ahead and talk about is this one right here. If you are a Forex trader, I believe that this is a very helpful tool for you to have on your charts at all times, okay? This is the currency strength indicator, okay? And basically, I'll just read this out to you. It says that the meter measures the strengths of all Forex pairs and applies calculations on them to determine the overall strength for each individual currency, okay? It is useful as a quick guide to which currencies you might want to trade and which might be worth staying away from, okay? Keep in mind, it's gonna go ahead and give you the ability to tell whether one is bullish, one is bearish. So today, let's go ahead and add that to the charts, all right? Let's go ahead and remove this. And as you guys can see here, this is a clean chart, Australian dollar versus euro, okay? We're gonna go ahead and go to indicators. And as you guys can see here, these are all the indicators that Trusted Signals offers, all right? And this is gonna come with your membership. So the indicator that we're talking about right now is the currency strength indicator. And you're gonna wanna go ahead and click that once. I actually double tapped on it, okay? Now, the first thing that you guys can actually see right here is that GBP is above New Zealand, right? Or actually it's above all of these right here. As you guys can see here, this is gonna show you the look back length of how far back we're looking, which one. And right now, this is looking back at the last 90, candlesticks, okay? The last 90 candlesticks. And if we go ahead and click this, right, you're gonna go ahead and show only those difference, okay, the pairs that we're looking at right here. So as you guys can see that right now we're looking at this versus this, okay? Australian dollar versus euro. Now, keep in mind that we're on the 1 hour chart, and obviously for this specific, for this specific one, I want to kind of actually go even deeper, okay? So let's go ahead and come here, right? So as you guys can see here, this is why I like this, because it's very easy to see which one is at top and which one is at bottom. And obviously, as you guys can see here, GBP is higher than the New Zealand dollar, or also the Canadian dollar, right? So this goes for only Forex. So if we go ahead and open, okay, let's go ahead and open GBP versus, let's go ahead and use NZD for this example. All right, and then we're gonna go to Black Bull, okay? As you guys can see here, we're buying what? British pound versus the New Zealand dollar. And as you guys can see here, the New Zealand dollar, which is in purple, we have a few areas where it crossed over, okay, where it became more profitable. So if we look at this specific crossover right here, as you guys can see, all right, this is the crossover where it happened right here. And what ended up happening in this specific area, you guys can see right here, it went completely vertical, okay? Completely vertical. And keep in mind that from this moment, it never crossed back over. GBP stayed on the top of New Zealand, right? So now if we're looking for sells, what are we waiting for, guys? Very, very simple. We're waiting for another crossover between the whites and the purple, okay? And to go ahead and even show you further, check this out, guys. As you guys can see here, this is where we had the crossover, and this is where we're getting closer, right? So this is exactly what you guys want to do. You guys want to wait for a crossover for your entry, okay? And right now, as you guys can see, right, they're starting to close the gap, and it is becoming a bit bearish. So we know now that we should be able to have a move, right? If it's going to go ahead and cross over again, right? Let's say this is the dollar point, the middle average zone, right? If we're going to have a crossover, we could potentially see this break down here and give us around 300 and something pips. Now, will this happen over time? Yes. And of course, if you use trend lines and things like that, and you can use this with your confluence, keep in mind that this is not a backtestable bot, but this is going to go ahead and give you the ability to go ahead and find out, okay, are we looking for buys or are we looking for sells, right? Is price getting closer? All right, because right here, if price starts coming back down here, then you know for a fact, hey, we're looking for sells. And then as well, from a crossover, once you see the GBP go up, you know that it's going for a buy. All right, and you can also determine that on where price is on this specific fear right here, okay? You can eventually find out whether or not a system is either bearish or bullish or overbought, right? Because if you tell right here, you know, there's a support line even on this, right? And if you look at this support line, this is just where price is in comparison to where this price is, okay? So there's a lot of different ways to use this tool, and I think that this is one of the most slept on tools that Trusted Signals has to offer. Keep in mind, guys, that this is the end of this video, but if you want to automate all of your TradingView tools, make sure you guys sign up to Automated Trader. Use my code ChrisP, and you guys will go ahead and save $650 off of Automated Trader's lifetime. Okay, guys, until the next video, I'm out. All right, broker of choice, link in the description, 100% match as well. I'm out. Peace.